Azure Active Directory, and it is here in the list, should be, which is, I didn't see it yet. Blah 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 blah. Loud storage virtual Azure Active Directory here. We can always look for it here, Azure Active Directory, to get into Azure Active Directory. Now we are here, default directory. Now I can see that Azure Active Directory can help blah blah blah. I can see my role is a global administrator, license is free, and some details about me. Now here if I go to the user, there's no user, should be, except me, which I am a member. I have identifier and directory sync. No, there is no sync directory. Now I can create a new user. To do that, I can invite people or create a new. I will create a new. I will give it a username of test1, and I will name test user1. First, now this is not obligatory, so password, I will make it the password Azure 123 question mark. And usage location, I can give all the details, but I don't really need to give it. So I create one user. I can create another user. I can give it a name of test2, a user test2, and create. So now I have two users, and also here every user have a profile. But if I go again to the Azure Active Directory and see, we also have groups, and now I don't have any groups. I can create a new group, and I have security here. I have Microsoft 365. I'll keep it security. I can give it a name, a group name, users, maybe I'll call it IT or developers. No space. In the end, group description, not necessary. Assign, I can do assignment directly or later, I think. Member type assign, no, I need to assign it later. So now I have a group called developer groups, and member type is assigned source is cloud. And if I go to the members now, there's no members. Owners, no owners, a group is empty. So if I go to the group again, click here and say I want to assign user. So if I go to members and I say add members, so I can look for a user test. I can find user test 2. Interesting. I should find also user test 1. So I will check again. Maybe I spell something different. User or test, let's say anything like this. So I have now test user, so that's the difference. Okay, so now I select them, and now I have two users in my group. And if I go back and check my users again, I find 3 users, and every user, the point here that I can assign role for the user. And here if I said add assignment, there's a pre-made assignment, like things like can create and manage all aspects, can manage the Microsoft Teams services, and so on. So that's the point here. But now that's Azure Active Directory. It's not exactly the same as Windows Active Directory, a little bit different. It's more about the cloud user members. Yeah, thank you.